In this video, I will show you an easy way to make passive income by selling printable greeting cards on Etsy, without using Photoshop or any graphic design experience. Keep watching this video to the end. You will not only find out how to make thousands of dollars per month selling digital files on Etsy, but I will also show you how to get 40 listings for free when you open an Etsy store. If you like to find out about new ways to make money online, and you are not already subscribed to my channel, now is the perfect time to hit that subscription button, and don't forget to also hit the notification bell so you get all the latest video updates first. Thanks for your support. If you're a creative person who loves making digital art, designs, or templates, Etsy is a fantastic platform to sell your work and reach a wider audience. The best part about selling digital downloads on Etsy is the ability to make passive income. Simply publish the products, sit back, and watch those sales stack. The only thing you need to create a printable card business on Etsy besides an Etsy shop is a Canva account, where all the magic happens. A free Canva account is more than enough to get started, but if you really want to take advantage of all the bells and whistles that Canva offers, like removing backgrounds with a mouse click, downloading transparent PNG images, or creating beautiful mockups and much more, then you can go for a paid account. I personally have a paid account because I do a lot of graphic work, but it's up to you to decide if a paid subscription is right for you. Besides selling greeting cards on Etsy, you can also sell digital wall art, posters, or editable templates to be downloaded and printed by customers. Instead of digital cards, you can also sell real greeting cards, and use a print-on-demand company like Printable to print and ship your cards. But in this video, we will stick with the digital option. The beauty of selling digital items online is that you only have to create a product once, upload it, and Etsy takes care of the rest. Etsy processes the payments and delivers the downloads, and you don't have to worry about shipping profiles and delivery times like with print-on-demand shops. Let's start by making our first digital card, and when done, I will explain how to list your printable card for sale on Etsy. There are two options when it comes down to creating printable cards. You can design them from scratch on Canva or in another graphic program like Procreate if you have an iPad, or you may use pre-made assets that you download from a stock company like Creative Fabrica. Canva has tons of greeting card templates to choose from, for every possible occasion. Let's select a simple birthday card template. I like this template, so we will use this one to create our printable card. Remember that you cannot just download the card template and sell it online. You must always add elements and graphics to it, to make a unique design. Canva has a strict policy when it comes to copyright issues, and you will find yourself in deep trouble with Etsy if you don't follow their rules. Let's take away some parts of this image, and replace it with something from the Elements library. To remove an element, just put your mouse cursor over it, and hit delete. I want to target this birthday card to basketball-playing dads, so I enter basketball in the search box and see what comes up. I like this basketball player. To add a new element to your design, click on the image and it will pop up on the card on the right. You can make it bigger or smaller until you are satisfied. Adding text is also easy. Select a font on the left side, click it, and add the text to the card. I will put Happy Birthday at the top of the card, and beneath the player image, I will add something funny. You can use ChatGPT to come up with some unique phrases if you have no inspiration. People love cards with a twist, so there's no need to create a boring birthday card. You can for instance add something like swishes, high fives, and 0 airballs. I found this line with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is incredible, and you can get unlimited creative ideas from there. I have a video tutorial on my channel about this amazing artificial intelligence tool, so go check it out. Now that we have our birthday card, we need to download it and store it on our computer. I always download my cards in JPG, PNG, and PDF print in 300 dpi resolution. This setting is very important to avoid complaints from customers about the print quality. You don't want to sell printable cards that look terrible on paper, so stick with the 300 dpi and offer the item in different formats, so people can choose. If you really want to make your card design stand out, then Creative Fabrica is the way to go. The website has thousands of beautiful graphics, elements, and fonts that you can download for all your card designs. If you check in every day, you will find some free material to do the designs on the free resources page. Creative Fabrica is an absolute goldmine to help you create beautiful designs and prints. If you have a paid subscription, Then you are allowed to download all the images and fonts. I have a link to Creative Fabrica below, which will give you a special discount if you sign up for a paid subscription, so check it out in the description box below this video. Okay, now we need to list our birthday card on Etsy. Creating an Etsy account is simple and free. If you already have an Etsy account, you can use that one to create a merchant account. Click on your profile link and select Sell on Etsy. On the opening page, scroll to the bottom and click the button Open Your Etsy shop. After that, fill in the required data, like language, country, and currency. When done, it's time to enter your Etsy store name. Don't worry about that too much, as that can be changed later. If your shop is set up, you can start adding products to your store. First, you need to add some photos to show your product to the world. This is mostly done with a mockup picture. If you have a paid Canva subscription, you can use the Smart Mockup feature to do this. Go to the Smart Mockups option. For this example, we select Print and then pick Card Mockups. A nice selection of mockups will appear, and if you find a design that you like, just click on it. Let's pick a simple portrait mode mockup to use with our birthday card. Select the birthday card from your uploads. Click Select again, and the card will automatically fill in the mockup. You can adjust the image if you don't like it, or save the mockup. You can now use the mockup in a design that you have created, or simply download the mockup image and upload to your Etsy store product listing. If you don't have access to the Smart Mockup feature, you can buy a ready-made mockup on Etsy and add your own image to it on Canva, or in your favorite graphic software. There are plenty of ready-made mockup stores on Etsy with thousands of variations to pick from. Here's an Etsy shop where you can download greeting card mockups. I see that they have some mockup bundles for sale for just a few dollars, so you can save some money here. I will drop the Etsy mockup shop link below this video. You can upload the mockup images to Canva and edit them there. Put your birthday card design in the mockup, and make sure that it matches. Save the mockup in JPG or PNG format, and download the finished file to your computer. If you are showing your card on a blank background, don't forget to add a watermark to your mockup so people cannot copy and print your design instead of the actual digital download. To add a watermark in Canva, just add an image like your shop's logo, and reduce the transparency so it is still visible. Etsy allows you to upload up to 10 mockup photos per listing, so take advantage of that. The more info you can give about your product to potential customers, the more chances to make a sale. Provide good quality images that show your printables features. After adding your photos, it's time to fill in the title and description. Make sure to share all the details and benefits about your item and use keyword-rich tags. Put in something like birthday card for basketball dad, basketball gift for dad, basket lover birthday, and so on. Keywords are very important to get found on Etsy, but don't repeat the same words over and over. Keyword stuffing is a bad practice and can get your account banned. Also explain how customers will get their purchased product. Tell them that this is a digital download and not a real product that will be sent by mail. Make it clear and simple for customers to order. Pick the right category and occasion for your card, and put in all the specific keyword tags so your item will be found by the algorithm. Use all 13 tags to make it easy for Etsy to list your item and show it to people who enter your keywords in the Etsy search bar. If you don't know where to find the right tags, you can use the Etsy tag generator by Etsy Check. It's free and simple. Just add in your main keywords, click search, and pick all the tags in green and orange, as these are the ones with little competition. The red tags are more difficult to get in, so only use a few. When done, you can copy all the tags at once and paste them in the Etsy tag field. There are a few paid services to do keyword research like eRank, Everbee or Etsy Hunt, which are great tools to find profitable niches and do advanced product analysis. Some of these services allow you to use them for a trial period, so try them out if you want to discover the most profitable niches on Etsy. You can also visit a competitor who is selling a similar product, and do some research on their page. Don't just copy their title and description, but see which keywords they use, and create something similar. If you scroll down below the page, you will see all the tags that they have used to list their product. While creating product listings for printables, select the option Digital when defining the product's type, and upload the files that your customers will download after their purchase. Etsy allows you to upload up to 5 files of 20 megabytes each. If a file is bigger than 20 megabytes, you can upload the file on Google Drive or Dropbox, and let your customer download their files from there. Just create a PDF or text document with the download link and upload this file to Etsy. Don't forget to enable automatic listing renewal. Otherwise, the printable lists is out of stock after the first sale. And put in 999 in the inventory field. SKU is not needed here, and if you want to offer personalized cards to your customer, then click this button, and add your requirements. It's a good idea to preview your listing to check your product first, and if you are not ready to publish it, you can save it as a draft to work on it again later. Etsy charges 20 cents per new listing, but I have a special Etsy link that you can use to get 40 free listings. I will leave the link below this video in the description. Okay, that's it for now. Now you can add more listings to Etsy, and use the power of social media to tell the world about your products. If you found a unique niche to market to, use the right keywords and professional-looking images, you will soon see sales come in. Just don't try to sell different items to different people. Find your own niche, create a brand around it, and people will find you and buy your items. You don't want your shop to look like a cheap dollar store. Also, forget about getting rich overnight. Selling digital files on Etsy takes time and effort. If you expect to become a success after a week or two, you will be disappointed. I started my own Etsy shop a few years ago, and it took me more than a month to get my first sale. It was a total surprise when I got the sale email notification, because I had almost forgotten that I had an Etsy store. That email was an incentive for me to put more effort in my shop, and I started uploading more products in the same niche on a regular basis. Things started to change. I got another sale, and a week later another one. I kept adding more items to serve my audience and I didn't give up. After 3 months, I had 50 listings in my store, and my hard work paid off. The Etsy algorithm likes it when shop owners are active on their platform, and as a result, my listings got extra attention. More people saw my digital products in the search results pop up, and sales slowly started trickling in. Don't think that your shop is a failure if you don't get sales in the first weeks. Be active, be persistent, and most importantly, be patient. Treat your Etsy shop like a real business. You can't just add 20 listings, and then forget about your shop. You must do your research and find a niche market with an audience that is looking for your products. Then it's just a matter of creating quality items to offer to that audience, and keeping an eye on the competition to see how they do it. If you stick to your plan and keep listing products that people are looking for, you will sooner or later succeed. Time is on your side, and determination will pay off in the long end. Okay, this is all for now. I hope this video will motivate you to get started on Etsy. Don't forget to use my special Etsy link, and get your 40 free listings. I will leave the link below in the description. If you enjoyed my information, please leave a like or share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get all the latest video updates first. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.